Leo, you did it. You have a coffee in your hand.
I did. I fired the middleman. I just said, "Can I have a black coffee, please?"
That's amazing. So why do you look worried?
Because the barista answered me.
And?
He said, "Sure thing. Crazy weather we're having, right?"
Okay. A classic small talk starter. What did you say?
I said, "Yes,
Yes?
yes." And then I ran away. It was awful, Sophia. The silence was so loud. I didn't know what else to say. I felt like I killed the conversation.
You didn't kill it, Leo. You just dropped the ball.
Dropped the ball?
Conversation is not a test. It is a game of tennis. Imagine a tennis match. If I hit the ball to you and you catch it and put it in your pocket, is that a game?
No. The game stopped.
Exactly. When you just say yes or no, you are catching the ball and keeping it. The game ends.
So I need to hit it back?
Yes. You need to return the ball. We call this the answer plus add technique.
Answer plus add.
Never give a naked answer. Always add one piece of clothing.
Clothing?
Information. A detail. A feeling.
Can you give me an example?
If the barista asks, "Crazy weather, right?"
The naked answer is yes.
Now add one detail. How does the weather make you feel? Or what did you do because of the weather?
Yes. I forgot my umbrella this morning.
Boom! You hit the ball back. Now the barista can say, "Oh no, did you get wet?"
I see. Or I could say, "Yes, I love the rain. It helps me sleep."
Perfect. Now you are playing tennis.
Okay, answer plus add helps with one sentence. But what if we talk for 5 minutes? I run out of topics. My mind goes blank.
That is your fear speaking. Your mind is never actually blank. You just don't know how to climb the tree.
Climb the tree?
Look at that big tree over there, Leo.
It's huge.
Conversation is like a tree. The main topic is the trunk.
Okay. The trunk.
Let's say the trunk is travel.
I like travel.
But you can't just stay on the trunk. You need to find the branches. Every answer has keywords. Those keywords are new branches.
How does it work?
Let's practice. I say, "I went to Paris last year."
Okay.
What are the keywords?
Paris and last year.
Exactly. Those are two branches. You can climb the Paris branch. Ask me about the food, the Eiffel Tower, the people.
Or I can climb the last year branch?
Yes. You can ask, "Did you travel anywhere this year?"
Oh. So I don't need to invent a new topic. I just use your words.
Precisely. The other person is giving you the map. You just need to follow the branches. Now let's combine tennis and the tree. I will give you a magic formula.
I love magic formulas.
It is called QA.
QAA?
Question. Answer. Add.
How do I use it?
When it is your turn to speak, try to do 3 things.
That sounds like a lot.
It becomes a habit. Let's try. Ask me about my weekend.
Sophia, how was your weekend?
It was great. I went hiking with my dog. Do you like hiking?
Wow. You made it so easy for me to answer.
Now you try. Do you like hiking?
No, not really. I prefer swimming in the pool. Do you like swimming? Wait. I did it.
You did. And notice we moved from weekend to hiking to swimming. We are climbing the tree. Are you ready for the final boss?
The final boss?
Let's redo the coffee shop scene. Right now. I am the barista. You are Leo.
Okay. I'm ready.
Here is your black coffee. Crazy weather out there. Huh?
Yeah, it's really pouring. I almost got soaked walking here. Do you think it will stop soon?
I hope so. I ride my bike home. I hate riding in the rain.
Oh, you ride a bike? That's cool. Is it a long ride?
About 20 minutes. It's great exercise.
I bet. I need to exercise more. I usually just watch movies on weekends.
Leo, stop.
Did I mess up?
No. You just kept the conversation going for 4 turns. We went from weather-range bikes to exercise movies.
I didn't even notice. It felt natural.
That is the power of the tree.
I feel much lighter, Sophia.
The middleman is gone. And now you have the tools to build bridges.
Bridges?
Conversation is just a bridge between 2 people. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just has to connect.
Answer plus add. And climb the tree.
You got it. So are you going back to the cafe tomorrow?
Definitely. I want to ask that barista about his bike.
Go get them, Tiger.